Auto Owners Insurance Review 2025. Is it worth it? Most people get this wrong, but cheaper insurance doesn't always mean better protection. In 2025, auto owners insurance continues to fly under the radar, yet it consistently ranks high in customer satisfaction. So the real question is auto owners actually worth it for you? Auto Owners Insurance is a mutual insurance company, meaning it's owned by policyholders, not shareholders. That structure often leads to a stronger focus on customer service rather than aggressive cost cutting. The company offers auto, home, renters, life, and business insurance, primarily through independent agents. One major advantage is reliability. Auto Owners is known for fast claims handling and fewer complaints compared to many large national insurers. Many customers report smoother claims experiences, especially after accidents or weather-related damage. The surprising truth is that claim satisfaction often matters more long-term than the monthly premium. Another pro is coverage flexibility. Policies can be customized with add-ons like accident forgiveness, gap coverage, and diminished value protection. Discounts are available for bundling, safe driving, and multiple vehicles. However, you won't believe what happens next if convenience is your top priority. Auto Owners does not sell policies directly online. You must work with an independent agent, which some people see as outdated. Pricing can also vary widely by region, and it's not always the cheapest option up front. Another downside is limited availability. Auto Owners operates mainly in select US states, so not everyone can access it. In conclusion, Auto Owners Insurance is ideal for drivers who value strong service, dependable claim support, and personalized coverage. If you're willing to work with an agent and prioritize peace of mind over flashy apps, Auto Owners may be absolutely worth it in 2025.